You guys, I don't know if y'all understand this or not. Number one, this brother would have been reprimanded if he would have cursed Eric Mason out in the video. We have a no cursing policy that we have enacted, right? Brothers get reprimanded, get punishments for cursing at people on the streets. Literally. So you think this brother was gonna go out there and curse you out? F you, you this, that? No, of course not. He wasn't gonna do that.
Now we're going to stop there for a moment because I think we have another customer. Let's see if they're going to blast him. If they do, I'm going to block them. Yes?
Yeah, I heard you were a Catholic.
I heard that you're still wondering what you are, whether human or animal.
You're Catholic. I just want to know if you ever let the father fondle your slutty little daughters.
Did the Shia molest your mother?
You Danny DeVito looking bitch.
You guys, I don't know if y'all understand this or not. Number one, this brother would have been reprimanded if he would have cursed Eric Mason out in the video.
Really? That's all you can say? Hey, go ahead. Cuss me out, guys. Let's have some fun. Go ahead, some more. Exemplify the spirit of your God.
Okay, we already know that your wife was a whore, but we want to know if her daughters were just as big as whores as your wife.
Okay, what else do you want to know?
Those little slut maggots. And we want to know how much Israelite cock do they suck?
Really?
Because we know they're not virgins either. Did you teach your daughters to have sex out of wedlock?
We have a no cursing policy that we have enacted.
Okay.
You sorry cone-headed bastard.
Thank you so much. Is that it?
And this is a real question. Real question. We know that you snort powder.
I snort what?
Did you snort before you did this show today?
What did I snort?
We saw you dancing to the snipe, the Skype ringer.
Really?
Because you're a powderhead, man.
I'm a what again?
Your nose is red as an Edomite. Are you an Edomite?
Okay, go ahead.
Can you answer a question, white boy? You fat piece of shit.
Really?
You Danny DeVito looking.
Am I as fat as your mother, or is she skinnier than me?
No, your mother's a maggot. We know she's
No, I'm just saying, am I fatter than your mother, or she's skinnier than me?
How do you feel about the slut that raised you? Where is that piece of shit, bitch?
Right? Brothers get reprimanded, get punishments for cursing at people on the streets.
Well, you're hurting my feelings. I'm losing sleep. Okay.
We know we're hurting your feelings.
You are, yeah.
I'll slap the shit out of you and that maggot bitch that had you.
Yeah.
How about that?
So you think this brother was going to go out there and curse you out? F you, you this, that? No, of course not. He wasn't going to do that. He didn't.
Yeah.
Hello, what's going on, Sam?
I don't know. Who are you? Because this name Adonis, I was familiar. I've seen you before, but I think I blocked you. What's up?
No, this is my first time calling.
Oh, you're a Black Hebrew Israelite again? I can tell you could tell by your voice. You came under another name. Be honest with me.
No, I promise you I've never called you before.
Never?
Never.
Okay.
Never
Well,
ever.
I'll trust you, man. Now, I hope you're not a Hebrew Israelite going to tell me where my mother's been and where she's going to go and what will happen to my daughters.
No, all that's ridiculous.
Cállate la boca, pendeja. Cállate la boca. Cállate la boca. Vamos, güey. Vamos, güey, pendeja. Vamos, güey, puta. Vamos, güey, puta. Numbers chapter 15, verse. It's a free country. This was your country. Now it's the white man's country. Don't sound free to me. Pinche idiota. Vamos, güey. Vamos.
Hey, any of you on my timeline rooting for that punk white one? What the y'all thought was gonna happen? A lot of people that pack in them churches every Sunday to worship this white boy, we know that they're not true believers in the Most High. Freedom.
Right, and white men and women and child are a bunch of devils too.
That's right. The white woman and that white god child is the devil. You're a god devil, that's what. You god cave dog, you golden retriever, I am your God. That's right. We are gods and the kings and the rulers over you god mother people.
That's right.
Give a fuck if you like it, boy, you gon' respect these scriptures. Lost a debate night, crying, man, these niggas bitches. Ducking fades, we at your door like a freaking witness. Man, I'm like, yeah, how is I found my father's business. Give a fuck if you like it, boy, you gon' respect these scriptures. Lost a debate night, crying, man, these niggas bitches. Ducking fades, we at your door.